how to buy SETI agents token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Not to be able to buy this token, make sure to check Derek's account and keep following their updates about this token. Remember or make sure to visit their Telegram channel to keep following their news, and after that check their bot on Telegram too. They include it in their X accounts. Now after that, to be able to buy this token, open it on CoinMarketCap. Now go and copy the token that is from here. As you can see, this token came under the BNB Smart Chain Network. Now open your wallet. For example, I will use the Biscuit wallet. Select the network from here as the BNB chain. Click on this plus icon. Now paste the token that is from here. And after that, as you can see, this is our token SETI. After that, click on this plus icon to add it to our wallet. Now go back. And after that, find this token, click on it, click on swap, switch from here, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you receive. After that is easy and simple. Now click on buy here, and you will buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy SETI token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.